Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm going to be showing you how to do double Dutch braided buns today. To start off, section the hair off into 3 pieces and start off by doing a Dutch French braid. So if you're not sure how to do a Dutch braid, you start with 3 pieces. You add hair to one section and you cross underneath that middle piece. Take hair from the opposite side and add to it and cross and go underneath. You keep repeating the process by each side and adding hair to the section. And you just keep going all the way down the head by repeating those steps and adding hair. Make sure that you hold it tight so that the braid stays intact. Pull the braid apart, loosen it up a little bit. Once you get to the bottom, you're going to want to secure it with a clear elastic ponytail. And then by pulling it through to make a bun, and then wrapping the extra hair around the ponytail. Take a bobby pin and secure that end loosely. This is the finished result of our double Dutch braided buns. And if you have any questions, or you can leave that in the comment below. Make sure to follow Verily Magazine on Instagram and Facebook. You can find us at District 108, and my Instagram is Blonde and Braided.